In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add affiliate links to Shopify. We'll walk through the process using a standard page inside your Shopify admin, and everything I show also applies to blog posts. The idea is simple. You'll add your content, include a clear disclosure, and then insert your affiliate link so shoppers can click through confidently. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. Decide where you want the affiliate link to live. A dedicated page works great for evergreen recommendations, while a blog post is perfect for timely reviews or comparisons. For this demo, we'll use a page. From the left-hand menu, click Online Store, then select Pages. This takes you to your list of pages where you can add and manage content. In the top right corner, click Add Page. Give your page a clear, descriptive title, something like the product name, the brand, or a short phrase that explains what readers will find. In the content editor, write a helpful description of the product or service you're recommending. Share what it is, why it's useful, and who it's for. It's also important to include a transparent affiliate disclosure. A simple line such as, "This page contains affiliate links. We may earn a commission at no extra cost to you." Keeps you compliant and builds trust. To insert your affiliate link, highlight the text you want people to click. This could be the product name, buy here, or a call to action. Click the Insert Link icon in the editor. In the pop-up, paste your affiliate URL into the link field. Decide whether the link should open in the same window or a new window. Opening in a new window is often more user-friendly, so visitors don't lose their place. Add a link title or tooltip that briefly describes where the link goes, which also helps with accessibility. Then confirm and insert the link. Before you publish, you can edit the search engine listing to improve discoverability. Update the page title, meta description, and URL handle to reflect the product and intent of the page. On the right-hand sidebar, set the visibility to visible so the page can be accessed. If your theme offers multiple templates, choose the one that best fits this content to control layout and styling. Finally, click Save, either at the bottom right or near the search bar at the top. That's it. You've added affiliate links to a Shopify page. Use the same flow in a blog post when you want to share timely recommendations. Keep your copy helpful and honest, and review your links regularly to make sure they're active and accurate.